Yo, what's going on today, everyone? Before we get the video started, I just want to say thank you everyone for 500 subscribers. I hit 500 pretty recently. I never thought that I would even get 500 views, so to have 500 subscribers means a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos and giving me all the feedback you guys do. If you guys are enjoying the videos, make sure you do subscribe, and let's get on with today's video. Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to be unboxing and test fitting a part I've been waiting for a long time. Alright boys, so the wait is over. This is the Rallybacker spoiler, the duckbill trunk spoiler that comes with the kit. This is the one that's supposed to fit the 2017 Plus trunk. As you can see, it's got a longer edge on this side, which is meant to cover the two holes and the clip that is used to bolt on the factory spoiler to the trunk. So it looks like Rallybacker did do some body work on the spoiler, and it looks like it's primered and actually ready to just send for paint. So we're gonna test for this. I'm gonna show you guys why this is my dream duckbill. This is the one I think looks the best, and you guys are gonna see why. If you guys haven't seen this on an 86 BRZ or FRS before, you guys are gonna see why this one is so sick. In probably like 20-30 minutes, I'm going for a cruise with some friends. I owe you guys some POV driving. I know I've been requested a lot in the comments and on Instagram to do some POV driving for the new exhaust setup. If you guys missed it, that was the custom valve exhaust that I made for the car. And we'll go for a POV drive, but I just wanted to give you guys a little update on some parts I am waiting to install, since I've been lacking with the uploads. I've been super busy, but it's also been kind of hard getting my hands on stuff because of the supply chain in Canada where I live. It's still kind of hard to get some parts. Alright, so first things first, I have these M-Tech shifter springs. I've had these for like, I want to say 2 years, just like waiting to install, but I've just been super lazy. Got some more gauges to finish up the boost gauge and accessories install, I guess. I'll show you guys in a sec where those are going to go. Got new side skirt. You might be wondering, why are these purple? I actually got these used from a guy who was parting out his car, and this is just some wrap. So I'll peel this off, and we're gonna get this paint match blue and keep the bottom still black. Coming to the front, if you guys saw before, I did rip off my front lip, but I did get a replacement one. This is the same kind, CS style. Figured going with the same one again just because I like the shape, I like the contour and how it matches exactly with the front lip. And for a replica lip, the fitment's actually really good. I did test fit it on the car, and it looks pretty awesome. Alright, and then coming around to the back, this is what I'm most excited about. This is the Rallybacker duckbill spoiler. So it's unpainted right now. It looks a bit ridiculous and massive. It's got a high kick, but once this thing is paint matched, this is gonna look incredible. This is my favorite duckbill spoiler for this car. You don't ever really see anyone run it, and it's because it's pretty expensive and hard to get your hands on, but there we go. That's what it's gonna look like. I love the shape of it. It's kind of hard to tell in white, but trust me, when this thing is painted, it's gonna look amazing. And you guys can see the fitment on the duckbill is actually really good. There is an issue though. It doesn't cover the holes for the spoiler completely. For the 2017 spoiler, there are 3 holes and the topmost one is not covered. So unfortunately, Rallybacker does make a spoiler that's supposed to cover them, but this is the one that they're supposed to make that covers it, and unfortunately it still doesn't. I was in contact with them through the people I bought it from, and unfortunately it's Rallybacker's error. The test fit that they did on the vehicle that they designed this for, it fit for some reason in Japan and doesn't work in North America. So that's okay, still gonna make it work. This is still a nice spoiler. I've got some plugs to cover this and gonna make it look as OEM as possible. So it's all good, no love lost. We'll make it work. So to mount those gauges, I am getting a custom-made cluster surround piece that that replaces the OEM one, and it's gonna have a mounting hole for a gauge right here and a gauge on this side right here. And it also comes with this actually nice relocation kit that moves these odometer buttons down here beside the trunk release. So I'm getting a replacement panel for this and a replacement panel for this. I kind of like that like OEM look of adding it in the gauge cluster. So we're gonna be going with that option. That should be coming in the next few weeks or a week or two, I'm hoping. And we'll get that installed along with the gauges. So as you guys saw, the season is not over yet, even though it's the beginning of October. For me, I still got the front lip, the side skirts, the duckbill spoiler. I'm also gonna get all that painted. Sending that in, I think in a week or two to get painted. That's gonna take about a week, so should have that on the car soon. I got the gauge install for the AFR and the boost gauge for the supercharger setup. That's gonna go in. MTech shifter springs. I may do this year, I may wait until next year, or maybe if the car's parked for winter, I may do it in that time as well. All right, first things first, we have to open these exhaust valves. Turn this off. I think those are open. So let's go, cold start for the boys. They look kind of like bluish silver or something. Like
they're mag blue. I have a snap of his car. I literally took a snapshot of his car the other night. It wasn't that.
frozen like 10 minutes back in the past. I don't know what's happening. I can't even tell if there's cops around. Man, I wish I drove this car more. I cannot get enough of these starlights. Like, man, still one of my favorite mods. I love this thing. All right, I'm not gonna rip it through this tunnel because it's pretty late and there's a lot of cars around me, but we'll give it a little mini rip. Just a little 4K rip. Nothing too wild. Just like that, you know, you're near the neighborhoods, close the valves, and look at that. The car is magically quiet. Let's do one more rip down here. Hopefully there's no cops here. Usually there are, but let's see if you can hear the supercharger sounds. Alright, we're back home. I had a fun night out with the boys. Haven't seen these guys in a long time. If you guys like the cars, make sure you guys check out the Instagrams. I'll leave them down below in the description. So thanks again for watching. Thanks again for 500 subscribers. You guys are the best. We're on the road to 1K, so if you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Hit that button down below. Drop me a comment, give me some feedback. Let me know what you guys think about the videos. Catch you guys next time. Peace out.